Here's easy method to install Windows 11 updates on your laptop or PC on a supported system configuration. Go to Start menu, right-click on it and select Settings. On the left panel, select Windows Update. If there is any pending software update, wait while your system checks for new updates. Once you see a new update, click on Download and Install. Once the download finishes, update before shutdown or restart. Go to the Windows menu and click the Power button under the Start menu. Choose Update and Restart or Update and Shut Down. In an alternate method, update using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Go to the official website, Windows 11 Installation Assistant on the Microsoft page. Here are the prerequisite conditions to install a new Windows 11 update on your laptop or PC. Check the required free space to download Windows 11. Windows 11 device specifications and more detailed instructions are available for Windows users. Once you click on Download Now, wait for the Installation Assistant to open after you download the setup file. Run the installation file and follow the on-screen setup to complete the new Windows 11 update. Check the installed Windows version. Press Windows plus R. Type WinVer and press Enter to open the window. A window will show your Windows 11 version. You will see the Microsoft version with the build number. I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share your problem with us.